Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Atwood G6a-8e is probably one of the most essential appliances in any RV, providing hot water for all your needs, from washing dishes to taking a refreshing shower after a long day of exploring. This compact and efficient water heater is designed to keep up with your adventures, ensuring you never have to compromise on comfort, no matter how far off the beaten path you roam. Its reliable performance and ease of use make it a top choice for RV owners seeking a dependable hot water solution that won't let them down when they need it most. Number 5. AMI Parts RV Water Heater Thermal Cutoff Kit. Ensure the safety of your RV water heater with this essential thermal cutoff kit. It's a crucial safety device designed to protect your system. This comprehensive package includes everything you need: an ECO assembly, thermostat assembly, foam cover, connecting wires, and fuses. Installation is straightforward. Designed to fit Atwood RV water heaters, this kit is compatible with various models, including those with part numbers 91447 and 93866. Always check your specific model before purchase. It effectively regulates your RV's water temperature, preventing overheating. This safety device is vital for your electronic water heater, especially in emergencies. Constructed with high-quality materials, it acts as a safety measure by cutting off fuel to the burner if a fire occurs. Its upgraded design offers extended service life and is less prone to nuisance tripping. Remember to label wires before disconnecting and ensure correct operation after installation. Refer to video instructions for guidance and prepare for potential connector variations. We stand by the quality of our product. Our professional feedback team is ready to assist you with any issues, providing a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. What we like. This kit is designed as a crucial safety device for your RV water heater. It includes everything you need for replacement, ensuring your water heater operates safely by regulating temperature and preventing overheating. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to ensure the safety and proper functioning of your RV's water heating system, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The water heater is easy to install and works great. It heats water quickly and efficiently. The compact design makes it easy to fit in small spaces. Number 4. TOMOON Atwood RV Water Heater Thermal Cutoff Fuse Kit. This kit provides essential overheat protection for your RV water heater. If temperatures get too high, it safely cuts off the fuel supply, preventing potential fires and protecting your caravan. Crafted from durable metal, this replacement fuse is built to last. It's designed to withstand high temperatures, ensuring reliable performance up to 98 degrees Celsius (208.4 degrees Fahrenheit). This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a successful repair. You'll find fuses, wires, and thermostat assemblies, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. Designed for a wide range of Atwood RV water heater models, this kit ensures a perfect fit. It's compatible with numerous series, offering broad application for your needs. Replacing your old thermal cutoff is straightforward. With clear instructions and readily available video guides, you can easily install this vital safety component yourself. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues with this RV water heater thermal cutoff fuse, our support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This product offers robust overheat protection, acting as a critical safety measure for your RV water heater. Made from premium materials, it's built to last and effectively prevents dangerous overheating by cutting off fuel supply. If you prioritize durability and a straightforward installation process for your peace of mind, this is the option for you. What people say. The Atwood G6a-8e is a reliable water heater that provides plenty of hot water for my RV. I was impressed with how quickly the Atwood G6a-8e heats up. It's perfect for when you need hot water in a hurry. Number 3. Atwood 91638 Main Burner. Introducing the Atwood 91638 Main Burner, designed to bring comfort and convenience to your home. It offers a universal fit for easy installation. Crafted from quality materials, this burner is built for durability and safety. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. Before ordering, please ensure this part is the correct fit for your needs. A proper fit guarantees optimal performance and safety. We use only quality materials in its construction. This ensures a reliable and safe product for your peace of mind. Experience enhanced comfort and convenience with this essential component. It's designed to make your life easier. What we like. This component is designed to provide comfort and convenience for your RV travels. Its durable and safe construction ensures reliable performance. If you're looking for a straightforward, universally fitting part to maintain the comfort of your RV's water heating system, this is a solid pick. What people say. The Atwood G6a-8e water heater is a reliable and efficient unit, perfect for RVs and small spaces. Easy to install and operate, this water heater provides hot water quickly and consistently. Its compact design makes it ideal for tight installations, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Number 2. Atwood 91367 RV Water Heater Ignition Control Circuit Board Kit. This ignition control circuit board is developed to offer precise compatibility with multiple models. It features a precision fitting for secure attachment, ensuring reliable performance. As an original equipment manufacturer part, this is a heavy-duty replacement designed for reliability. You can trust it to deliver high performance for your RV's water heater. Constructed with hard-wearing materials, this part is precisely built for maximum durability. It's designed to provide you with a reliable product that lasts. This circuit board is specifically designed for gas-only water heaters. It ensures efficient and safe operation for your RV's heating system. The model FIENT is engineered for seamless integration. Its design guarantees a secure fit and dependable functionality for your appliance. What we like. This is an original equipment manufacturer part, ensuring precise compatibility and reliable performance for your gas-only RV water heater. Its heavy-duty construction guarantees durability and longevity. If you're seeking an authentic, high-performing replacement part that's built to last, this OEM control board kit is the ideal selection. What people say. The Atwood G6a-8e is a reliable water heater that provides plenty of hot water for my RV. I appreciate the compact size of the Atwood G6a-8e, which makes it easy to install in tight spaces. The electronic ignition on the Atwood G6a-8e is a great feature, as it eliminates the need for a pilot light and saves energy. Number 1. Atwood at 91522 White Door Assembly. Introducing the Atwood at 91522 White Door Assembly. This is a replacement door specifically designed for Atwood water heaters. Ensure a perfect fit with this genuine Atwood part. It's the ideal solution for your water heater needs. This door features a clean, polar white finish that will match your existing setup. It's designed to blend seamlessly. Replacing your water heater door is straightforward with this assembly. Get your unit looking its best again quickly. This assembly is exactly what you need to complete your Atwood water heater. It comes ready for installation. What we like. This is a dedicated white door assembly specifically designed for certain Atwood water heater models. It offers a clean look and a direct replacement for your existing door. If you have a compatible Atwood water heater and are looking to replace a damaged or worn-out door with a specific, color-matched part, this is the product you need. What people say. The Atwood G6a-8e is a reliable water heater for RVs, providing ample hot water for showers and dishes. Easy to install and operate, this water heater heats water quickly and efficiently. The compact design of the Atwood G6a-8e makes it a great fit for smaller RVs where space is limited. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.